That's true. Yo, you can skate, huh? You remember?
A little bit.
Just a little. Where Earl at? He skating? For real? It's your skate party. Go ahead, keep going, man.
I'd rather see the farm.
Huh?
I'd rather see the farm.
How much they cost? The skates? They free?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I don't know how to say it, bro.
Man, let me see what you got.
I gotta get my legs back.
I gotta keep it on them because they about to do something. Yo, your mom said she can skate. I don't understand. I'm confused.
I definitely
Look at Ryan.
Why ain't doing this smart?
Yeah.
He's trying to mess him up.
Huh?
The guy is gonna mess him up.
This guy right here, you don't know him? The ball here, ball here? What's up, Kim? They want the birthday girl in the middle. Careful. What's up, Chad? What's going on? How you?
I'm good. I'm blessed.
All right. You out there, huh?
Yeah, I don't smell over there on the rug. I'm thinking, okay.
Well, that's the best place to fall, on the rug.
No, that's it. That's the only one.
Oh. You made it do what it do, baby. You got fire there. What's up, man? What you did? 2 laps? Whoa. Whoa. You got big fast. He got big quick. Oh, hey, you don't want this? Oh, he like, I don't want that. That's how you learn, though. Not having it. There you go. There you go.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kim. Happy birthday to you.
She said that's enough. Pero,
Oh, you got shot of light on them.
22.
After 21, that's it. All right, girl, let's go turn the lights on.
Alright, take a break. We'll give y'all 7 seconds. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's speed up a little bit more.
She getting better.
Alright, this time the beat gonna go real fast, so get ready for me. Take your break right now while I'm talking, alright? Y'all done. I'm done. We out. Follow me on Instagram at DJ
Give it a tap, 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 tap.